left to right, ignoring everything else. Okie dokie. Now that we know what it is, let's go to why we use it. Don't worry, we'll get to some sample questions if you still don't quite understand. So we have an equation here, and the reason we use Bedmas is to standardize our answers. Because in this question, you might notice that there are two ways of solving. By first doing a plus 2, or by first doing 2 times 4. These will give you different answers, as a plus 2 is 10, and then you times that by 4, which is 40. But if you do 2 times 4 first, it would be 8, and then a plus 8 is 16. So to standardize everything, we created Bedmas, so we have the same answers on the same questions. We don't want different people getting different answers on the same question, do we now? So, now that we know what it is, let us quickly go to our sample question. Okay, here is our sample question. And to help us, we have our handy little acronym Bedmas. Or, the way I remember this is just thinking of Christmas. Christmas is rolling about, so that's how I remember Bedmas. Spending your entire day of Christmas hooked up in your bed. I mean, I've never done that. Okay, let's get on with it. So here's our equation. As we can see, this as follows. 6 times 2 plus by 1, bracket, 9 plus 8 times by 6 divided by 2. Now let's apply Bedmas to this. Obviously, B comes first, brackets. Let's solve this thing inside the brackets. Now, inside of the brackets, we apply Bedmas once more. Now, we get division and multiplication because there are no exponents. There is division and multiplication, we can see that. But because there are two of them, we do left to right in that. Ignoring this plus 1, because that's not in division and multiplication. That's in addition and subtraction. So we do left to right. So 8 times 6 comes first, and that is 48. Now we keep everything the same, so your teacher knows that you're not cheating. 1 plus by 2 times 1. Okay. Here. Now we apply Bedmas again. By the way, we apply Bedmas over and over again until we get the answer. It's kind of repetitive. So we get brackets. There's still a bracket here. And division and multiplication comes first. So we got to do 48 divided by 2, 24. And then we keep everything as it is. There we go. There's still a bracket left. Oh my god. But don't worry, guys. This is the final time where we pop it. So 24 plus by 9. And that should be simple. It is 33. Okay. Now, because there's only one number left and no signs, no exponents, we drop the brackets. And then we keep everything as it is. But there is no sign between the brackets and the 1. So what do we put here? Do we put an addition sign between these? Do we put a multiplication sign between these? What do we put? When there's no gap in these kinds of equations, we call it algebraic expressions, we put the multiplication sign here. So then we carry on, putting our everything as it is. And finally, there's no brackets. Let's get into it. Bedmas. Now, because we don't have exponents and brackets anymore, we go to division and multiplication. There are 2 multiplication signs here. So we do left to right in that. Ignoring this plus 1 because that's an addition and subtraction, not division and multiplication. Okay, this comes first. So 6 times 2, 12. Plus by 1 times by 33. Apply Bedmas once more, and that is what we solve. 33, and then 12. And then we get to this, and then we simply just solve this. 5, 4. So the answer to this is 45. Thank you for watching this video. If this helped you a lot or a little,